Then when people also eat horse.
Okay.
So if we are eating this animal out of hunger, horse is more expensive than cow.
Yes.
You that eat cow, we eat horse and eat donkey. And that horse is more expensive than the cow we eat. So how is it out of hunger? There is no person, no matter the age, no old man who can tell when exactly our people started eating this as meat. No, nobody can tell that story. Many of our young and old people became millionaires and even billionaires through this business.
Through this business.
I'm telling you the truth. Many of them, not one, not two, many. Because Nenwe people specialize more on this. We like this meat more than cow meat or any other meat. The demand for Fulani cow will reduce if you begin to produce your own meat. This is one of the advantages. In Nenwe, we don't buy cow. So, and if other Igbo people adopt the same method, there will no longer be need for Fulani people.
Hello guys, this is Ketu Law TV. We are live and direct in Enugu State, Aninri local government of Enugu State. This is Nenwe, particularly we are in Nenwe. This is Nenwe Joshua, just by the main road. This is Enugu Port Harcourt Road, Enugu Owerri Port Harcourt Road, Enugu Umahia Port Harcourt Road. This is the highway, and here is Nenwe. This place is leading to Nenwe, and we are going to Nenwe. Nenwe is in Aninri local government, and we're going to tell the story of Nenwe people about the donkeys. You know, Nenwe people are the particular people who deal with donkeys. In Nigeria, the people who sell donkeys, both the meat and everything. We're going to tell the story. Follow us, and you know why and how everything started and why they are selling donkeys, and they particularly eat donkey meat instead of what? Cow meat. Let's go there and we'll tell you the story. Apart from that, you will see Nenwe. Nenwe is one of the most developing community in this Igbo land, and one of the most beautiful places today. Let's go. And they specialize even in farmers. There are farmers also. They do farming. Because of that is why they are Aninri local government. Many things you have to know about Nenwe. We, the Creative Law TV, will tell you, and you can only see it here. Here. That's it. Let's go. You understand?
This is Nenwe in Aninri local government of Enugu State. Aninri is a local government area of Enugu State, Nigeria. Its headquarters are in the town of Ndabo. The local government is about 233,723 inhabitants. According to the projected population from 2006 census, Aninri is made up of 5 towns: Odume, Nenwe, Ndabo, Mpu, and Okpanko. Odume is the largest of the 5, with a population of approximately 98,000 inhabitants, according to the 2006 census. The local government area has produced notable people in both Enugu State and Nigeria at large, including former Speaker Enugu State House of Assembly Ebechukwu, former Enugu State Chairman of People's Democratic Party late Igwe Onyoha Nwanjoku Odumeze, one of Odumeze, Deputy President of the Nigeria Senate Ike Kuremadu, who has been DSP from 2007 to 2015 and 2015 to date. Aninri has a common boundary with Nkanu East to the northeast and Ogu to the northwest. The local government was created from Old Ogu local government in 1996. It was to go by the name Ogu South local government until the political leaders of the area choose to go by a different identity outside the popular Ogu. The local council area is largely engaged in agricultural production. Aninri is accessible from Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway with at least 4 entrances with well-paved roads through Onwe Junction, Nenwe Junction, Mbowo Junction, and Akinokwa Junction. This is Nenwe. Does Nenwe people truly eat donkeys? Does Nenwe people, are they the only people that raise donkeys, or these on donkeys, like selling of donkeys? We have heard a lot about Nenwe people and donkeys, their relationship with donkeys, how the town have made money from donkeys, how if you want to marry, you must present donkeys. Or the car donkey was the tradition of Nenwe people. It's part of them. They can't do without donkeys. And we're going in to find out the reason. We're going in to find out why there's so much this on donkey, whether it started now or before their ancestors. Let's find out together. Let's go.
Now for you around Nenwe, this is Nenwe, and this is just a street somewhere in a village in Nenwe. See how beautiful it is. Serene, like everywhere, everything is organized. Igbo community is blessed. You see orange, everything. See here, orange, avocado, everything the nature gives. Mango. We are blessed. I'm telling you honestly, we are blessed in every ramification because everything we put here survives. And this is an Indian local government too. They are basically farmers because some are not coming where. And if I'm the fact so I'm just showing you around of a small town called Nenwe.
Donkeys have historically been used for transportation, agriculture, and trade in many parts of Nigeria, including areas inhabited by the Nenwe people. In some communities, donkeys are considered a symbol of hard work and economic independence. The Nenwe people, like other communities in Nigeria, may have specific cultural practice and belief related to animals, including donkeys. Some people may identify themselves as Nenwe or part of the Nenwe community and might be involved in the donkey business, whether it is for transportation, trade, or other purpose. The donkey business can be a source of livelihood for many individuals and communities in Nigeria. There are discussions about the potential of donkey business to generate income and employment, particularly in rural areas, according to news reports. Individuals or groups might be unfairly associated with negative stereotypes about the donkey business or certain community. The donkey business is sometimes seen as a low-status occupation, which can lead to social biases and prejudice. Organizations like the National Animal Production and Research Institute and Earthways Logistics Limited are collaborating to promote donkey breeding and processing in Nigeria. These initiatives aim to improve the quality and production of donkeys, expand the donkey value chain, and generate income for community. There are efforts to provide training and support to donkey farmers and entrepreneurs. The connection between the Nenwe people and the donkey business is multifaceted. Why there may not be a direct exclusive link, the donkey business is an economic activity that involves many communities in Nigeria, including potentially the Nenwe people. Understanding the cultural significance of donkeys, the economic opportunities as they present, and the potential for stereotype is important when discussing this topic. Nenwe is a beautiful community, looking by the environment, looking by the the serenity of the town, the beauty of the town. The roads are well tied, and the community are bubbling. Even this is just a normal day. This is not like Christmas or during any festival, no. But when you look at the town, you know that the town is blessed. And one thing about this town is that there is no insecurity in this town. Like you can hear that maybe Fulani people enter this town, or kidnapper, or any insecurity, anything. No, you don't hear it in Nenwe. That is another thing God blessed them with, security. The town is blessed and they are rich. They are rich.
I'm here with the son of the soil of Nenwe. Is a popular man who do smart. Also again, be smart. So I'm here with him to tell us more about donkey business. When you come to Enugu State, everybody know Nenwe people, that those who deal with donkey, and also farmers. So, but mainly we are here to talk about this donkey business because it seems like they are the only people who deal with donkey business. And you are the ones who tell us about this, please.
All right, thank you very much. Well, I cannot tell you the history of donkey in Nenwe, and there is no elder in Nenwe who can narrate the history of donkey. So, but what I'm going to tell you is the benefits and the misconceptions people have concerning this very animal.
Okay.
First of all, this is Nenwe. in Aninri. If you listen to the name of the local government, Aninri, our people are known for agriculture. And as you already know, agriculture is divided into two: crop agriculture and animal farming. Yeah. So this is part of the animal farming we do here in Nenwe. Okay. All right. So there are many misconceptions that I want to correct first before we go into the details about this very animal.
Okay.
First of all, many people will come into the comment section and you will see it and tell you that this animal smells, the meat smells. That is a big lie.
Okay.
Naturally, every meat will smell if you don't preserve it very well.
Yes.
Then there are those that will tell you that Nenwe people or people who eat jaki started eating it out of hunger. Okay. That is another misconception. I will prove you wrong. Okay. Nenwe people also eat horse. Okay. So if we are eating this animal out of hunger, horse is more expensive than cow. You that eat cow, we eat horse and eat donkey. And that horse is more expensive than the cow we eat. So how is it out of hunger? Then there are those who say that Nenwe people and others who eat this animal started eating them from the Civil War. Okay, that is another misconception. That's not true. Okay. Because I can tell you there is no person, no matter the age, no old man who can tell when exactly our people started eating this as meat. Okay. No, nobody can tell that story. So it's as old as humanity. You understand what I'm talking about?
Yes. So, but not only that you people are eating it as meat, you people sell it. As in, I have a friend who sell this donkey somewhere in it's like Sokoto. That is between Sokoto and the state in
northern state. Yeah.
Northern state, but it's from this Nenwe.
Okay.
So and mainly when you go to they have a camp. When you go to that camp, if like there are 100, the Nenwe is 90. So yes. How did they start?
All right. There are Nenwe people who deal in this business are divided into two. Okay. Those who stay in the north are those who supply it, those who base in Nenwe and east.
Okay.
Yes, because this particular animal comes from the north. Okay. The animal is not peculiar with Igbo people. Okay. So they are reared in large quantity in the north by our people over there. Okay. The people there are the people that supply it to us here, to the Nenwe people here, and the Nenwe people in Onitsha. Because we have another branch in Anambra State, a very big market.
Where they sell this donkey?
Yes.
Serious?
A very big branch, one full market like this, like the one you just saw when we are coming. See. For this meat. And people from all over Nigeria patronize us. Like this particular one now, people from around Ugwuoke, around Aninri, they come here to buy. And then those who sell it in the city are patronized from people from all over Nigeria. Yes.
Wow.
So somehow this particular business has boosted the economy of Nenwe. Because I can tell you that many of our young and old people became millionaires and even billionaires through this business.
Through this business?
I'm telling you the truth. Many of them, not one, not two, many. Because Nenwe people specialize more on this. We like this meat more than cow meat or any other meat. And if you go around Nenwe,
they sell the meat in the market like...
I'll go and show you. Later I'll show you where the meat is being sold. This is not the slaughterhouse or whatever.
Well, this particular animal, the northern people don't eat it. Then why then like you people grow it in the north?
The northern people don't eat it, but they use it as a means of transportation.
Okay.
This is why they rear it. So now because we patronize them, we eat it. It then makes it necessary for them to continue to rear it in a very large quantity. Because of us, not because of themselves. They use it for transportation.
So that's it. And some white people come for like the skin and also the meat. Like the Chinese people always look for the meat.
No, they don't look for the meat. They look for the skin. And that one is not something I want to talk about here. Okay. They come only for the skin. Okay. Probably they use it for manufacturing.
Okay. Okay. So and you are saying that this particular business has boosted economy of Nenwe. Like people have benefited a lot in this business.
Very obvious.
Is it the small people like the young generation, are they still venturing into this?
Of course, every business is being passed from generation to generation. Our young people today inherited it from the older ones. And the incoming generation, we are also going to inherit the business from our generation. So it goes from generation to generation and it's never going to end. You know, when people talk against this meat, they will tell you all manner of things. And this is natural. Because when somebody does not like something, he always look for a reason, find reasons to make other people dislike that very thing. Yes, just like when somebody doesn't like you, you keep telling people that you're a bad person so that people will also dislike you. This is what happens.
About this animal.
Yes.
Okay, in this town, I hear that if you marry, like if you are doing ceremony, any ceremony, and you are not killing this, you are not doing anything. Is it so?
Well, it's partly true. The reason why this thing is part of the list, marriage list, is because this meat is a popular demand. But that doesn't mean that if you bring cow in place of this, we will reject it. No, but because our people are already used to this than cow, this is why we usually write donkey there.
Okay, so normally in a marriage list, like you normally write donkey.
Yes.
Like if you bring donkey, you people accept it.
Yes, you will see donkey there. But if you have money for cow, fine. But you see donkey there.
Okay, but normally cow is costly than this.
Cow is costlier. It's costlier by size.
By size.
Yes.
Okay.
So since by the nature of this each size, it should be costlier because the cow is bigger than this.
Well, this is all these things is ranches. I want to show you people. This is where they always keep the donkey. This one is the one we find animal on it. This one is one ranch. The other one is another. And if you look at it, see, this is somewhere in Enugu State, Nenwe, where they specialize. They know them. They have, in short, they have the surname that donkey. They don't joke with donkey. And you hear from him now that anything about donkey, they are doing it, and the donkey has already helped their youths, everybody. In short, their generation and even before them.
Okay, like I said before, you cannot, no matter the age of anybody from Nenwe, nobody can tell you the history of this meat. This is to counter people who used to tell you that the consumption of jerky started from the Civil War when our people were hungry. They were now compelled to eat jerky. That is a very, very big fallacy. Nobody in Nenwe can tell you the date. So this is a natural meat that will be eaten. And I would advise all other Igbo people to start rearing your own meat, even this jerky, because by doing so, you are going to be producing your meat by yourself, and then benching the Fulani cow.
Okay.
Yes. The demand for Fulani cow will reduce if you begin to produce your own meat. This is one of the advantages. In Nenwe, we don't buy cow. So, and if other Igbo people adopt the same method, there will no longer be need for Fulani people.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's one point. So if we can venture into rearing donkey and dump this Fulani cow, so I think the demand will reduce and they will go back to their side.
If nobody patronize them, why would they be here? They are here because we patronize them.
So if you look at, you see the another one. This is donkey in Nenwe, and look at it here. Another one. If you just look at that side now, you see another ranch, and this is the market. This is where the slaughter is. This market here, you buy, you go there and slaughter, and they're patronizing themselves. Onaga, this is Nenwe. In Afusolo ni na there now. Mostly business like a family. In our town, man, this venture on that business, where they started from this business, like this donkey business, and from there, Nenwe was the town. Nenwe brought over there because of what? Na fact and if farmer anya, you know. So this is very big market where this is what mostly where they kill donkey in the whole southeast. Any quantity of donkey meat you want, if you come to this market, you get it. So just look at the ranch, the donkey ranch. Look at the other one here, and I think we showed you people the other one. So this is Nenwe. This market is where it's being sold in a large quantity in Aninri local government of Anambra State. This is it.
Enugu State, sorry.
Enugu State. I don't even know. Small time, Anambra. Why? Do you people bribe me or what? I don't even understand. I'm from Enugu State and I mostly call Anambra. What is this? I don't know. Is it because of I always promote Anambra? Hey, this is too much, man. So, we're documenting about donkey in Nenwe Aninri local government. And this is Udu Smart. You know Udu Smart. Udu Smart is a very popular one. And if you're not smart, you will not deal with Udu.
Be smart.
Be smart.
Actually smart.